Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to discuss today, first of all, there is a breaking news which I'm going to tell all of you, all of my followers, that what exactly happened with the Sri Lankan cricketer. The Sri Lankan batsman Kusal Mendes arrested after being involved in an accident where 64 years old man died close to country's capital Colombo. Sri Lankan batsman Kusal Mendes has been arrested after being involved in an accident in which 64-year-old man died. The vehicle, Mendes 25, was driving struck a cyclist at 5 a.m. local time in the morning just south of Colombo, the country's capital, on Sunday. Man died soon after Mendes was set to appear before magistrate. He has played 44 test matches for Sri Lanka, scoring 2,995 runs at an average of nearly 37. In most recent test innings against Zimbabwe in January, he saved the match with an unbeaten 116 runs, his 7th test 100. He has also played 76 one-day internationals and 26 T20 internationals for Sri Lanka. Kusal Mendes has been released on bail a day after he was arrested for his role in fatal motor accident in Panadwara, just south of Colombo. Mendes, who was driving that hit and killed 64 years old cyclist at around 5 a.m. on Sunday, and has also been cleared of driving under the influence of preliminary police investigation and a judicial medical officer. Mendes 25 is understood to have been returning from the wedding of Sri Lankan cricket employee. When the accident took place, fellow Sri Lankan cricketer Avishka Fernando is also understood to have been on board the car, with Mendes acting as a designated driver for the group. CCTV footage suggests that vehicle had veered off the road and into a garden wall, hitting the victim, a local resident. In the process, the victim had sustained substantial injuries and died in the process of being admitted to Panadwara Hospital. After being detained at Panadwara police station overnight near where the accident occurred, Mendes was produced before Panadwara Magistrate Court and released on 2 personal bails of Sri Lankan rupees 1 million, which is approximately $5,400 each. He is due to appear in court again on September 9. As Sri Lanka lockdown and curfew have now ceased, Mendes was allowed to be on road. At the time, he had been part of Sri Lanka's residential training camp in Palakuala, which ended on Wednesday. So I would say that it's really a sad news once again for the Sri Lankan cricket, because recently the tour of Bangladesh, which has also been cancelled. So I just want to say that that's only gonna add worry for the Sri Lankan cricket team, because we know they are struggling at the moment and they don't have greats like Kumar Sangakkara and Mahela Jayawardene. If you like my video, that's it from me today. Please share it, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.